How to use advanced feature in Discord. In order to use advanced feature in Discord, you must first navigate to advanced section in your user settings. So open your Discord onto your device login, after which you will just want to tap on user settings from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon at the very top right hand side corner. Here, scroll down and look for advanced options. There it is. And in order to enable the advanced option, you could enable this you could go ahead and enable the full screen gestures, right edge gestures, pull tab, and disable this as well. So likewise, you could also enable developer mode, and enabling this allows you to users settings, or just right click on user settings, channels, and message to copy their unique ID as well. And you could also use hardware accelerations that helps you with your GPU to make Discord run smoothly. And this is how you're supposed to use advanced feature in Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.